This video, I show you how to get paid $150 to watch videos, which is a new strategy to earn free PayPal money for watching videos online this year 2021. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to get paid to watch videos. In today's video, I will show you a new platform that will pay you after you watch videos, movies, video games, or even by reading comics. The best part is all of these can be done in the comfort of your own bed. So it wouldn't be that hard. The website pays you $15 when you finish a video, so it's not really a lot. But it's still great though, since this is very easy and simple. Aside from the fact that this is available worldwide, what's great is that you can watch it on your smart TVs or on your mobile devices while just laying down. The first and main platform which we will be using in order to get paid free PayPal money by just watching videos is called Animation Arena. This is where we can find different reviews about movies, video games, and even comics. People are giving their feedbacks on this particular blog, forum, or whatever you call it. The most interesting part about this website is that it will actually pay you after you watch a movie or play a video game. So we will be using that feature to earn $15 over and over again. And the best thing is that you don't need to invest money and you don't need any experience or special skills to do this. This website accepts people from all over the world. Now all you have to do is go to this website, which I'll link below the like button. You don't need any writing skills for this because you will not be writing an essay or whatsoever. You just need to give an opinion about the movie you watched, so you can actually watch whatever movie you like and whatever genre you prefer. All you need to do is just watch it whenever and wherever you want, and then you just give your opinion about it on this website and get paid in return. As you can see here, the pay is $15 per review with a maximum of 10 reviews per month. But that is only with one email. If you sign up with multiple accounts, you can obviously make more money. But even if you're only doing 10 video reviews per month, that's already $150 just for watching movies. And it's probably something that we always do on a regular basis because I know, we all love watching movies. And what really amazed me is that you can make reviews about movies that you have watched in the past. So these are the rules in making money online with Animation Arena. Each review you submit must consist of at least 550 words, which is not a lot at all. And it must be original, so you can't just copy and paste someone else's review. You have to give your honest opinion about the movie. And that's basically all you need to do. And at the end of each review, you must rate the material on a scale of 1 to 10. So whatever you feel about the movie, just write it. If you really enjoy the movie or you don't like it, just give your honest opinion, and in return you will get paid $15 per review. Now let's say, for example, you're done watching a movie and now you want to submit a review. All you have to do is just send an email to this email address right here, arenamaster@animationarena.com, with a subject line, writing for Animation Arena 2011. And then just answer these following questions within your email. So this is how we make money online with Animation Arena. Now here's the special bonus that I've promised you, which is another better and modern way of making money by watching videos online. This is by using the platform, Cashkick.com, which I'll link in the video description below as well. This is an additional platform that I'd like to share with you in order for you to maximize your income and results. So if you submitted 10 reviews on the previous website, you can make up to $150, but if you want to make more money by simply watching very short videos and not movies, you can use Cashkick. As you can see here, cash is the greatest reward, which is their maxim. We'll deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you're already doing online, such as watching videos and surfing the web. Imagine how easily you can get paid by doing those. You can also answer surveys if you want to make more money, but it's not what we'll be focusing on today. As you can see right here, you can get paid directly to your PayPal account, which is great, especially for online transactions. Cashkick is absolutely free and will always stay free. You don't need to invest any money or whatsoever. You can start with $0 with this method. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you watch short and entertaining videos. Second, watch the earnings grow in your account. And third, you cash out early, easily, and often. The best part is that Cashkick offers the lowest payout thresholds on the market. They deposit your money quickly, securely, and conveniently, starting at just $5. So all you need is $5 in your account in order to cash out. You don't need $100 or $500 as a minimum, you just need $5, and you can withdraw your money instantly. What's also great about this is you can do this on your smartphone or on your computer. You can do this while laying on your bed or sitting on your couch. Whatever you're doing, you can make money. It's that easy. Although this method is easy, you'll only be able to make an extra couple of dollars. But even if it's just a couple of bucks, it will eventually add up, And all you need is a few minutes and an internet connection. This can be anywhere in the world. I mean, there's no real work for you because you're only watching videos which you don't even need to actively watch. Just press the play button and leave the video playing in the background so you can do something else while cash rolls into your account. To get started, go to cashkick.com or use their app and just sign up for a free account. To do so, enter your email address and choose a password and then just click Get Started Now. It's as simple as that. After doing so, you will be able to open the feature where you can watch videos and in return, you'll get paid per video you play. And that wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. As always, I will see you in some of the next videos.